Hi everyone, my name is Duncan and today we are at our lovely peaceful site in Ripley, Derbyshire, where we have a great variety of 4 and 5 bedroom new build homes. Today we will take a look at the Fairbank, which is an awesome 4-bedroom house. Burglar alarm as standard. As you can see, this is a very spacious plot with a double detached garage, easily room for 2 cars there with off-road parking as well. It does actually say sold there, but it is available. Sometimes reservations fall through and this has been a popular plot. So as we enter the home, you will obviously notice this is before the flooring has been fitted, but we are currently offering a choice of flooring from our range for free, and this property does come with a lot of included extras. Okay, so let's take a look at the lounge on the right, and this is a fantastic room. A double aspect lounge with French doors leading to the garden. Dimensions come in at 7.77 metres by 3.53 metres, so a lot of options with this room. Carpets from our great quality range can also be included for free. Moving on, let's walk through here and take a look at the downstairs cloakroom, although I probably wouldn't hang your cloak in here. And we have a very nice looking toilet, sink and premium chrome towel rail in black, with the black tap and metal tile trim around the splashback there. This will look great with the wood look of the flooring. Okay, let's have a look at the kitchen dining room, which again has some very nice included extras. French doors here leading to the garden. We'll have a look at that a little bit later. Utility room on the left there and stylish vertical radiator. This is the kitchen, very snazzy light fittings there to complement the look of the work surfaces, and a lovely breakfast bar which still allows extra cupboard space underneath. Spotlight lighting to the kitchen also included. The fridge freezer is here, again included as standard. Double oven there as standard. Extra wall sockets with USB charging points are included here, as is the underwall unit lighting. Top quality Bosch dishwasher is included. There's the high quality composite sink, which has the very useful extra of an instant boiling water tap. Again, a top quality Bosch hood and 5-ring gas hob there. So overall dimensions are 6.5 metres by 3.06 metres for the entire room. Oh, spotlights to the dining area are also included. We'll just take a quick look at the utility room. And actually an integrated washing machine and dryer has already been installed and is included. Access to the outside there as well. And just a final look at the kitchen dining area. This really will look great once the flooring is down, which of course the customer will choose. Okay, moving on, let's take a look upstairs. This is bedroom 1 with ensuite. A couple of very nice pendant lights have been fitted there, which would be either side of a large double bed. All of the 4 bedrooms are double bedrooms, meaning they can comfortably fit a double bed and wardrobe space. Dimensions here are 3.64 metres by 3 metres. The ensuite has an upgraded package here. Semi-pedestal sink and half-height tiling to the wet walls as standard. Full-height tiling for the shower as standard, as well as dual shower heads as an included extra. Premium chrome towel rail in black, looking very sleek there. So overall, a nice master bedroom. Moving through to bedroom 2. Another good sized room. Dimensions here are 3.8 metres by 3 metres. Into bedroom 3 with dimensions of 3.7 metres by 2.6 metres. And on to bedroom 4 with dimensions of 2.9 metres by 2.8 metres. We can take a quick look at the garden through the window actually, which is not yet turfed, but that is completed very quickly. And you can see the Greenway just past the fence there, which I'll mention at the end. Just the bathroom left to see inside the house. Semi-pedestal sink and half-height tiling to the wet walls are standard. Full-height tiling for the shower are standard, as well as dual shower heads once again as an included extra. Premium chrome towel rail in black. Okay, so let's take a look outside and into the garden. Although before heading into the garden, it's worth seeing the double detached garage. There's no dividing wall inside there, so there's more room for manoeuvre. This is the side access to the garden. Electric car charging point there. So as I mentioned before, the garden is not yet turfed, but this surprisingly only takes about 2 days to complete. You can see it's a very nice sized plot of land, which opens up lots of possibilities as to how someone would like to use it. Now, just finally, I wanted to mention the nearby Greenway, which is a lovely 2-mile stretch cared for by the community to maintain wildlife, birds, insects, butterflies, fauna and flora, and to allow the wildlife to thrive. It's a lovely walk and a treasured part of the Ripley area. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed the house tour. If you have any inquiries, do contact us at sales@langridgehomes.com and take a look at our website www.langridgehomes.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe for all our house tours and updates. Thanks for watching and see you soon.